The day started off like many, with me diligently working on my Fortune 500 company. What happens to many young CEOs is that our hunger for taking over the world translates to real hunger. So I checked my fridge, and I was reminded that I'm a 26-year-old single male.
Is it laughing at me?
I went back to my office in search of something to eat, and then I stumbled upon something. Rumors of divine food, a classic burger shop atmosphere, and a customer service experience like no other.
Dude, hot dogs!
Hot dogs. I didn't know there was hot dogs now. Oh, you did the rings in one box and the dogs separately. Right.
You can hit them if you
I'm
want.
with you.
I knew I had to go to Chubz Cheeseburgers. You can't bring up Chubz without bringing up Steve. This one man holds the entire circus together.
Right. I mean, rings. Woo, baby. You better watch out. You're going to blow your hat off. Hey, Mr. Chubz. That's right. Mr. Chubz got reprieve because I gave you the sauce. I love that. I've done every single job that is the worst job in the world. This is the most fun. You get to see people coming through the front door with smiles on their faces. And I say, you haven't even eaten. How come you're smiling? They say, because we know what we're going to get. That's the 9 out of 10 times people have that answer. That's all right. I mean, they make a comeback, right?
Yeah, not by choice.
Isn't that the way you want to do business? Make them come back?
And don't let the goofy, funkle demeanor fool you. This man knows burgers, and he is part of the entire process, and he is so meticulous about every single aspect.
Over the last 12 years, about 500,000 of them. That sounds like a lot, but you get good at it, so it becomes easy. It's like anything. I decided to make each and every aspect of the burger process perfect, from the toasting of the buns. We save the stale buns for everybody else in all the other restaurants, to the seasoning of the patties and the actual seasoning itself. It's not just salt or pepper. I have a homemade seasoning to use. Then the actual sear that's placed, how hot the grill is to get the sear, and everything I made to be ready in 4 minutes on the line. The fries have to have a certain amount of starch. They can't have too much, they can't have too little. We start with fresh fries. We don't have frozen fries. Frozen fries do not perform well.
I've been around Steve long enough to know that he can keep going. And going, and going, and going. And that is because once a man has dedicated so much time and energy into one product, it becomes their life. Chubz isn't just a restaurant to him. It's an extension of who he is. I can sit here all day and push my philosophy 101 knowledge to the limit. Or I can give the people what they want and show you how the sausage is made, or rather, the cheeseburger. So pour up a tall one, let me throw on some sweet, royalty-free, lo-fi beats. Yeah, there we go. And let's have Steve show us the process of making the famous Chubz burger.
Why I opened Chubz is because basically I could not find these burgers in the Southeast anywhere, at least with the chili. These are the fresh patties that we just had done in the other room. Get them going. My special seasoning that we use on the line. Everything is done perfectly here. We go Chubz sauce on one, make it a deluxe. Homemade Thousand Island dressing that makes an In-N-Out, the In-N-Out. Lettuce, tomato, onion, the pickle. Burger, on my first burger just like this, I was 5 years old. It was the greatest 5-year-old day of my life. I remember it like it was yesterday. As we start to know how you want to get the proper sear is, you're looking for moisture on 90%. Put a slice of American cheese on there. I've got other slices of cheese, provolone. And you see how we got the crisp bun around there? Getting our chili on there. Just like the old Tommies from LA. Behind you, please. Behind you, please.
Here I was, finally face to face with the burger that just an hour ago I was dreaming about. But now I know that it took nearly 12 years to perfect. I couldn't wait to eat it. So I ate it off camera. I know, I'm sorry. I've been a bad YouTuber. I know how much those eating close-ups mean to you. You've been waiting all this time, you want the close-up shot, I get it. If I could do it again, I would. I really would. I can change, and I will change. And no, this isn't like your toxic ex-boyfriend talking to you. I'm really going to change. So I'm going to describe this burger now as a distant memory. It was like eating a bit of America. And in this version of America, everything is perfect all of the time and there is only peace, happiness, and love. Like if the members of Woodstock in 1969 revolted against America and installed their own government, but it somehow worked. This burger can and will solve all of your problems. So if you are in the Charlotte area and want to eat a great burger, or you just want to meet this character,
Hello, I'm Steve. Welcome to Chubz.
then I would strongly suggest you make your way over to Chubz' famous chili cheeseburgers. Order whatever you want, everything on the menu is incredible, and you will not be disappointed. As always, thank you for watching the full video. Please like and subscribe, that means a lot to me. Leave a comment down below on anything that you think I should be doing better or any ideas you have for future videos. I always take those into consideration when I'm creating stuff, and I cannot wait to show you what else I have cooking.